Here it is, dudes. TRX90. And I think we're going to do it a lot better this time, for sure. Okay, the A-arms 100% aren't in this tote. As I got this bad boy metal brake at Harbor Freight on sale. And instead of welding it to a table, I just clamp it to my table when I need it. Making sure my clamps ain't going nowhere. So, got the front mount cut off. Get the holes punched in it, get her tacked in here in a minute. Out of the frame, it's a lot easier. It's been sitting. You can see some dirt accumulation in there. Look at that. That's why I wanted to go through it. Even with the gloves on and stuff, there's dirt in there from sitting. That's why you want to rebuild her. That's exactly why right there, so I don't end up starting it up and just sit. Look at that. Well, dudes, I got the motor tore down. There's a swing arm. Getting all these pieces out that need to be sandblasted. My old rear end and axle, which I'm still using. The 300EX front end. I'm also gonna trim this headlight out and make it work. Old's looking good. Oh, man. Come on. On the air hammer, boy, we probably could have sent these guys. I mean, they're not that crusty. Most of this is the PB blaster I shot in there, you know. It reacts funny. Sometimes it'll flash rust. You know what I mean? Flash rust. Because it did me a real solid on the powder coating. Did a good job. And also, look here. This is the guy you want doing your motorcycle stuff. Left my steering stem bearing unclogged. Didn't powder coat over this pivot point. Very exceptional job, I would say. This is everything, I suppose. I'm not really super thrilled about how this end shows up. So I've got these tie rods here, and the kit came with these extensions because they weren't gonna reach otherwise, as you can see. Just thread her on there. And swapping these head studs because two of them stripped. Don't be the one that runs at these with some vice grips or some pliers and sinks them in. Lock these together with 2 wrenches, send it from the top. Got the new studs in, boys, properly seated. So I've got the head back on, the plug in. As you can see, these are all like perfectly aligned, and it's all at 20 foot-pounds according to 2 torque wrenches, so we're good. Let's see if this new cap will even fit. It actually fits. Nice. That's custom, dudes. I mean, if you guys want to really be racing. I have the carburetor off. I'm emptying it. Let's go up one size jet on it. for the TRX. I appreciate you watching. Get up in there. I have a BW200 Banshee project. I just rebuilt the motor on, and that's coming up. And right now I'm working on this Tri-Z, getting it back together. So give me a like and subscribe. Lots more on the channel. Or if I can get 200 people to comment up in there, then I've got these stickers. I'm gonna sell all 200 of them to you guys. Each one gets you a chance to win that TRX. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in doing by commenting. If I get 200 comments saying you're gonna be in there, we're doing it, boys. It's a sweet limited edition Time Machine sticker and a chance to win that TRX. What's up, dudes? Get up in there. Jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. Give me a follow. Lots more on the page, dude. Appreciate you.